All protocols observed. Good afternoon. I'm Anthony Guchu, standing here to represent Nanyuki Vocational Training Center. It's both an honor and privilege to stand here today. I want to thank you and acknowledge the good work you have done, all to promote peace and security, and for the role you continue to play in advancing the goals to bring us together. Today's gathering is more than just a meeting. It's a reflection of your shared commitment, your sense of duty, and your determination to create a safer and more secure environment for all. Our respected sir, as you continue to invest in skills development, I request you to invest in youth empowerment, like in training institutes and out of institutes to enhance more security. Training institutions have become a cornerstone in our national development strategy, where they offer hope, skills, and economic opportunities to thousands, and especially in underwell-served areas and high-risk communities. However, it's not a secret that security concerns ranging from vandalism and theft to drug-related activity and even targeted violence pose significant challenges to the effectiveness and safety of the institutions. Our respected sir and honorable members, security and education are two sides of the same coin. A secure environment promotes learning, while education reduces insecurities in the long term. Our investment in training institutes must go hand in hand with a commitment to safety and order. Let us act now, not just with words, but in policies and resources to protect these vital institutions and ensure that every young person can learn, thrive, and contribute to national growth without fear. Thank you.
Thank you. Tupigie huyo kijana apigiwa makofi mzuri, si ndio? Thank you so much. Karibu. Asante.
The Honorable CS, all protocols observed, good afternoon. So my name is Diba Juma. I'm a alumni of Nanyuki Vocational Training Center. I'm standing here in front of you all. I know many government officers are here, so I want to go straight to my point. The first point is unemployment among the youth, especially the skilled youth. Here in Nanyuki town, we have many skilled, and I'm literally speaking, skilled. There is skilled manpower hapa Nanyuki. Mafundi wako wengi, mayouth wako wengi, wako na skills kila mahali, but ile access from the bottom route to the government inakuwa a very bridging gap. Reason because education ama forums hizi za government, including the youth, they are very minimal, let me say. The second one, tumesikia many government officers wametaja, especially the OCS. I want to congratulate them on their good work. Lakini tumesikia wakisema many are lacking facilities, government facilities. And who are to build these government facilities? We are the youth. We are the skilled manpower. The police station, the Huduma centers, the CDF offices, the CDF halls, all that, under employment. The other one is tree. The government initiative ya planting 15 billion trees. Hiyo inaweza offer very many opportunities. The tree nurseries, from the distribution to the local communities, at least wazipande, at least. They usually say an idle mind is the devil's workshop. Kweli. So if you keep the youthful population so busy in that, itakuwa imesaidia sana. The other thing I want to talk about, many of the officers here, the chiefs, the ACCs, the sub-county police commanders, wameongelea maneno ya promotion. Hiyo yote inakubalika, but hapo kwa promotion, mkiongelea promotion, mnafaa muangalie hata the youthful population. They must wakuwe enrolled kwa hizi kama administration processes. Tukuwe na young chiefs, young assistant chiefs. At least in the meantime, wanna learn from the elder people at least wanalearn wale nyinyi mkistaafu si ndo tutakuama. The last one ni ya government inaenda direct kwa IG na DIG. Hivyo issuing of government vehicles ina speak directly. Issuing of government vehicles it's another story, but if you go file a complaint kwa police station, unaulizwa na askari, utaweka gari ya polisi hii mafuta. Sasa mimi kama youth nimeenda kureport nisaidiwe, but naulizwa utaweka gari ya polisi mafuta. So unaona, thank you.